When people first discover faceless YouTube channels, they usually do the same thing. They start researching these tools, AI writing tools, voice generators, editing software, and automation systems. And before they make a single video, they feel overwhelmed. Not because it's complicated, but because they're trying to build everything at once. The reality is much simpler, because a faceless YouTube channel only needs these three things to start: a clear idea, a simple script, and visuals that support the message. It's as simple as that. You don't need advanced editing. You don't need expensive software. And you don't need automation in the beginning. Because early growth doesn't come from tools. It comes from clarity and consistency. The mistake most beginners make is optimizing too early. They spend hours choosing voices, testing transitions, and changing visuals. None of that matters if the idea isn't strong. Your first goal isn't to build a perfect channel. It's to build a repeatable process. Something simple enough that you can upload again next week, and the week after that. A simple workflow looks like this. First, choose a problem people want solved. Second, write a short, clear script focused on the outcome. And third, create visuals that help explain the idea. Then all you need to do is go ahead and publish your video. That's the entire system at the beginning. As the channel grows, you improve quality naturally with better pacing, better visuals, better delivery. But those improvements come from experience, not preparation. The creators who succeed don't wait until everything is ready. They start simple and improve with feedback, because every video teaches you what to do next. And once the process feels easy, consistency stops being difficult. Now that the setup is simple, the next challenge is knowing what to make videos about in the first place. Because the right idea makes everything else easier, and that's what we'll cover next.